you go. And we lit up your world like the 4th of July.
Right here is good.
Damn. That's big. It's so foggy, it's hard to see the fireworks now. So much smoke, it's hard to see the fireworks. Can't even see anything. Why is it so smoky? Freedom! see anything now. Water out. Yeah.
No, she got my number. Hey, you're gonna have to back up.
Be cool if we could see it. There's some freedom in your face. There we go. Yeah. Clear. Wow, that was pretty.
That just went in my eye.
They let y'all have y'all's phones too while y'all basic now?
No. We don't have our phones right now.
That's good.
Some of us, some companies do. They didn't give us ours.
I see a lot of things change from when I was in.
Yeah.
I was here 19 years ago on the same day. First time to see this show since then.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. I'll tell you this, hands down, the best fireworks show I've ever seen in my entire life. Well, in 05. I don't know about this one. It's hard to see.
There's no wind to move the smoke.
Yeah. I feel debris falling on me.
Are you from here in Georgia?
No. From Texas.
I'm from Kentucky.
Okay. I had got a few brain injuries when I was in.
Here we go.
So I'm up in Georgia doing a TBI treatment this summer. And I looked up the MWR schedule here and I saw this. I'm like, hell yeah. I'm going. I ain't missing this. drill sergeant in there. The silhouette. That was neat.
We got 3 more weeks and we're done.
Hell yeah, man. With AIT or just basic?
AIT.
Hell yeah. You're almost there.
Yeah, and I'm going to brag.
Well, what was brag?
Yeah.
They now named it after my daughter. There you go. Oh, that was a heart. You see that?
Yeah.
That was cool.
Where's the heart?
That means I love freedom.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to, that was a soundball part. I'm actually probably going out there next weekend to go visit. I might swing by Relaxing Jackson too. Yeah, I talked to a guy that graduated yesterday,
Yeah.
earlier today in the museum. He said AIT now is freaking like 12 weeks long.
Yeah.
Oh, it was 5 weeks when I was in.
Oh, OSIN's 22.
We were in and out, man.
22 weeks of OSIN, 3 weeks of airborne.
That's crazy. I did 9 weeks of basic and 5 weeks of AIT. That's what, 10 and 12?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
We got a lot of downtime. We're a small company too. There's only 90 of us now.
And we had, I think, 170 in ours. My bad. How'd that go? How'd it go?
Yeah.
Is she pretty? That's why he had it.
Boom.
I might shoot this one fireworks and they will. That'd be insane. You can see it. Yeah.
I smell freedom.
Yeah.
This sounds like war.
Only thing comes close to this is Disney World fireworks.
Yeah.
This is what this sounds like.
I ain't never been there, but I've seen the show on videos.
Yeah.
My buddy went and posted a video, and I watched his post. I'll check this out. Some drill sergeants. That was cool. Fireworks blowing up, and I got a screenshot of the drill sergeant silhouette. That was cool. Damn. Oh yeah. Boom. Those are deep. Takes me back to 05 when I was here. Where do they do the night infiltration course?
Night infiltration?
Yeah.
We did it way up on top of Sand Hill, like Malone Ranges.
Where at?
We did it on top of Sand Hill, like the Malone Ranges.
Oh, it's Malone Range. Okay. I couldn't remember. I remember when I was low crawling, I had a freaking grenade go off like 5 feet from me.
Yeah.
One of those simulators.
Yeah, we did our final field exercise last week, and we got blown out 3 times in one night with those things.
Damn.
Slept like 4 hours all this week.
I remember it blew up like really close to me, and they were doing the, shooting right over the head.
Yeah.
They scared us with the warning of, don't stand up unless you want to be shot in the face. I'll make sure I stay low crawling all the way through. I don't care if it's 110 yards or 150, whatever it was.
Yeah.
It was a long crawl, I know that.
They had us do that. We did that like 10 weeks ago. It's called Nick at Night. We had to low crawl or high crawl like 300 yards.
300? Yeah.
300, yeah. And they shot 240s over our heads.
Yep. I'm in 240s and 50s, but they had the grenade simulators blowing up in these little holes next to us.
Yeah.
And you can feel all the sand coming down and landing on all over you.
Yeah. And then after that, we did that in the middle of the night, and then we rucked back like 10 miles after
I
that.
need you guys to walk behind the crowd if you're trying to walk down to the end of the road. Okay, the road's
Okay.
closed.
We love you guys. We love you so much. I love you.
Hey, look, X marks the spot. There we go. That's cool.
Hey!
Hey. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hi.
Hey guys, we love you.
I wish these people quit walking in front of me. It's a cool fireworks show if there was no obstruction of view. At least some of the clouds cleared out now. Jeez, those are just dangling up there. Wow. There we go. Yeah. Get some. Get some. It reminds me of those Bucky's t-shirts.
Bucky's t-shirts?
Yeah. I didn't bring my women. I left it at home. Well, I got this one. This one's cool. Boom, boom, boom.
I'm tripping.
Golly.
It says that door right now.
Yes. Alright, I got it. Golly. Woo! Hell yeah. Yes! Yeah! Get some! Hell yeah! Woo! Now that is a fireworks show.